Excuse me, sister.
Yes, please.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks. And you?
I'm also doing great, thanks. May I ask you some question about yourself?
Of course.
What's your full name?
My full name is সময়ক 𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐶. And what's your full name?
You know, my full name is Habiba. And what's your nickname?
My nickname is Sumaya. And what's your nickname?
Well, my nickname is Habiba. Where are you from?
I come from Hatajari, Chattogram. And where are you from?
I'm also from Hatajari, Chattogram. What do you do?
You know, I am a student. And what do you do?
I am a student. I'm also a student. What class are you in?
I am in class 9. And what class are you in?
Same to you. What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobbies are drawing picture and reading books. And what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobbies are traveling and drawing picture and reading storybooks. What do you want to be?
I wanna be a doctor. And what do you wanna be?
I want to be a successful biologist. Now, may I ask you some question about your family?
Sure, why not?
What's your father's name?
My father's name is 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐿 𝐶𝐲𝐬𝐿𝐻. And what's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Mansoor. What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. And what's your father?
My father is a teacher.